How you doing, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, bought another drone for inside. Will try sometime a fly outside. Weather here's been terrible, so most of my wee drones that I'm buying at the minute are for flying inside. Give me something to do. This is the Propel Star Wars T65 X-Wing. As you can see, I'm a bit of a Star Wars fan and seen this online. It's been out a while now and thought that looks good. I'll have to buy one. There's a few different models. Thought I'd go for this first, see what it's like, maybe buy the other ones at some stage. But we'll open the box, see what's inside, and then get it up for a quick flight around the house. So this just lifts off. On the back it tells you about the world's first multiplayer battle drone. You can download an app for your phone and you can, it's just like a game in using the controller, and you can go through some training and do a bit of flying, and I think you can go online and go around. It's like an online thing. Not really interested in that. Just thought I would let you know about that. Speeds up to 30 miles per hour outside, which is quite fast. Doesn't really tell you too much more on the box. So we'll just open it up, have a look, see what's inside, see what you get. If I can get the stuff out, really well packed. So, wall charger, batteries, have extra accessories, instruction manual in the bin. Might read that later. High performance battle drone. You also get training cage. No. Thought a bit. Controller. Oh, very heavy controller. So that's it. Everything in the box. What we'll go through first. We'll look at the training cage. Training cage, and you've seen it in the bin. We'll keep the drone for the end. Wall charger and batteries. Nice battery charger. So we have USB with a pin connector. Plug the battery in that. There's where it goes, charges up. Wall charger, you can give you a wall charger. Not many give you plugs these days. So I have 3-pin for UK, our American friends, and it's like one of the ones for a Razer. I think it's Europe. Very good. Okay, we'll keep that for later. Accessories, so we get in this bit of documentation, set of propellers, those look like the bits on the end of the wings, another set of propellers, the battery, small battery, comes with the canopy of the fighter on the top of it, it's all one piece, 800 milliamp 3.7 volts. It's meant to last about 8 minutes, so even if we got 5 minutes, it's okay. This heavy metal tool for taking the props on and off, and some screws and stuff. Not bad. Keep the battery out. That. Controller or drone? Controller. keep the key for. Oh, that's a nice controller. Let's see. Box. Great weight to it. Feels well in the hands. Buttons feel good. Controls feel really, really good. This feels a million times better than the Hubsan Xeno controller, and it cost a lot more money than this did. These actually screw off. Some stage I might actually try and see if those fit the Hubsan controller, because they would be great on it. They're a lot taller looking and it's something to try. Has a lanyard connector, on off button. Okay, let's set that there. Let's see. Oh, excellent. Detail work is amazing. Very, very good. Bit of the box. So there we have it. Really unusual with the props on the bottom. You would think they would be sitting on the top, but they've incorporated them in so when it can take off from that position. Interesting. There's lights on the front, the lights on the back. Those thrusters light up red as well, so that'll be interesting. I know there's a small switch at the back, and that's just a cover. Pity it wasn't another battery. There's the battery, and I know that you put the battery in, there's no on-off switch in this, so when you put the battery in, it's very tight to get in, it comes on straight away. So let's set that there. Oh, some Star Wars music. There's 4 different themes. It plays music and talks to you throughout. Very good. So we'll put the battery down, see if we can connect it, see what it's like. So that's the battery down. We'll close that just in case. The lights in the front, the lights in the back. So to connect it, hold that button. 1, 2. X-wing engaged. So probably break something as usual. I think this is automatic takeoff, but I think it goes to 6 feet high, which will definitely hit the ceiling here. So let's see the usual. No, holding them down and out, down and in, doesn't work. We'll try the automatic takeoff. Oh! And it's off. Oh, I'm definitely going to break something. I'm up flaring house, land it, and oh, don't forget. Wonder if I'll be able to land it on the table. Definitely going to break something today. Stop. There we go. That is a quick fly around the house. Very quick, and that was it on the Speed 1. It can do 3 different speeds. Definitely think it's more use outside, so hopefully I'll get a nice day soon. Like this type of thing, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I usually buy more drones even though I shouldn't. Thanks for watching. Bye.